Okay, London session live, London open in under 5 minutes. Very quiet Asia session, price just stuck in ranges here. But right before London open, I can see a breakout on gold, breakout on NAS, breakout on SPX, US 30, and almost a breakout on oil. It's pretty good price action. Looks like London open is going to have some possible nice move. Looking at the 30 minutes now. Okay, we have a breakout here on SPX, US 30. US 30 is in a range here, trend range. I think I might go for SPX. I've been focusing on gold while I'm working out my new setups, but I think I like the price action on SPX better. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 30 minutes looks at the H12, 1 hour looks at the daily. So daily, we have a phase transition over here, trend phase, bullish reversal that ended up in a trend. So that confirms the trend phase. US 30 also looks nice, but I haven't really had some nice trades on US 30 recently. Daily, it's been in breakout for the last 12 days, in a range for the last 12 days, and now it's in a bullish breakout phase. Yesterday closed bullish breakout. Might be something to watch. Daily over here, phase transition, bearish reversal phase that ended up in a bullish breakout phase. So we had a bearish reversal over here on the daily, closed bearish breakout. In a reversal phase, I want to see price stay below that daily breakout level to take it down, but instead came up, broke out above, and now we're above the weekly breakout level. But we are at the previous week high. Anything can happen over here. I think I'm going to go for SPX. Just naturally, it just seems more natural to me to look at this one. Yeah, because this one has a bunch of ranges, a bunch of levels here, and we've been stuck in a range here on the weekly for the last 13 weeks. So I wouldn't think that this would shoot up while this would. Yeah, I'm going to go with SPX. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute. Going to look at the 1 minute chart as well as the 30 seconds. 15 seconds also looks like going to be a trend continuation setup there. Maybe I'll look at the 15-second and 30-second so I can see get in on a lower time frame. All right, 1 more minute. M15 has already closed bullish breakout, so we're in a breakout phase. The last bearish breakout ended up failing, cut through that entire range, so this would be a nice reversal back up. And this one, we've been in a range here, last 3 M30 bars, and now we're breaking out. So nice confluence here. Waiting for the open now. So this trade is going to be in a breakout phase. I want to keep my stops below the breakout level. M10 is right here at the moment. The next M10 is going to be a little bit higher, pretty much at the same level. All right, so I don't mind this. Going to set up stops below the breakout level, and since I'm scalping, I'm just going to take it up to the highs. Okay, setting a limit order there, 3R. Want to see it come down, fake out the low, and then take it back up. Trend retracement setup on the breakout bar. All right, so let's see if that plays out. Okay, got triggered in. Now let's see where this goes. All right, done. Just took a few minutes and done with London Open. All right, so that was a 30-minute trigger bar here. This is something that I've added into my personal version of momentum theory, which I'll add into update on TradingView. These trigger bars are when we have breakout phases, and that's going to be the best places to look for this particular setup. Okay, so breakout phase trade broke out of a range here, and then faked out the low for a trend retracement, take it back up, and that's it.